Legal Aid is the only statewide civil legal service provider in the state. We are fundamental to the notion of equal justice for all. Legal aid, in the way we do it, is a powerful catalyst for getting people up and out of poverty. It solves a problem and it presents opportunities and hope for the next step in their lives. Helping people to keep a roof over their heads, ensuring that what little income they have they can keep in their pockets, making sure that their family is safe and stable. I mean, these are huge consequential effects that legal aid is able to produce through the legal system.
I had came home from work and there was a notice on my door from the sheriff's department. He said I had 3 days to be out. Was scary. That was very nerve-wracking. My name is Brooklynn Woodhead and I'm a mother of 3 girls. I lived at my previous apartment for 3 years. I signed my lease every year just like normal. When it came time that I was ready to move out, I gave my 30-day notice. I was going back and forth with the office lady and she said, okay, well, we'll do a prorated rent for the last month. And I had all that in writing through email. And when I went to go pay my last month's rent, they wouldn't accept it because it was a partial payment. I said, no, it's not a partial payment. I have the emails, I have the documentation, and they refused to accept my rent. To come home and have a notice on your door, I mean, it's just gut-wrenching. I was literally sick to my stomach. I knew it wasn't fair. I knew it wasn't right. I tried to go pay my rent. They wouldn't accept my rent. I had no idea what to think or how this was going to work or where to turn to. And as soon as I was able to get a hold of legal aid, they completely turned that around for me. The absolute worst case scenario is everything would have been still in my apartment complex and they would have changed the locks and I would have been literally homeless with 3 children and none of my belongings. Knowing that I had someone on my side just made everything easier for me. Having Scott there, knowing that he's the expert and he knew what to say and how to say it and the correct paperwork to fill out, just made me feel comfortable going to court that day. Having legal aid there to help me get through everything without a charge was the biggest relief I could have had. I don't think I would have been in the house that I have today. My kids wouldn't have their own rooms and be able to grow up and enjoy having to walk outside and play in the yard. I mean, it's just all the little things that really add up. As a parent, you want to have your kids be able to come home and have a safe home, be able to have friends come over and enjoy childhood like they should. Without having Scott, I really don't think the outcome would have been the same at court that day.